Hi, welcome back guys. In today's video, you're going to talk about how to edit your account information in Roblox. Maybe you want to edit your information in Roblox but you don't know how. So today, I am going to show you how to edit your account information in Roblox. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get started. First you need to do is to open your Roblox application and log into your account. Once you open your Roblox application, simply tap on this three dots icon at the lower right corner of the screen. And here, you will be needing to scroll down and you will see this settings button. Simply tap on this settings button to edit your account. And then in here, you will see account information, security, privacy, parental controls, billing, and notifications. So to edit your account information, simply tap on this account info. And then in here, you will see you can edit your display name, your username, and also your password. You can also edit your personal information such as birthday, gender, language, and you can also change your theme as a light or dark mode. You can also add your social network via pasting the profile link. And then after you edit your profile information, you'll just be needing to tap on this save button. After that, you will see this pop up, success, save successfully. Just simply tap on this OK button. There you go. If you wanted to know how to edit your account information in Roblox, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to edit your account information in Roblox, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.